In this paper, we present Paparazzi, a framework to edit three-dimensional shapes through image processing. Image processing algorithms are used to create different visualization effects on images. The success inspires research in generalizing image algorithms to 3D shapes, but usually, it is unclear. We solve this problem by presenting an image-driven shape optimization method called Paparazzi. The key idea is to apply image processing on the renderings of a 3D shape and then infer the corresponding shape changes. To achieve this, we stochastically optimize the geometry from different views and propose a differentiable renderer that allows us to analytically differentiate the rendering process. We will show that Paparazzi is very general. We can plug and play many image processing algorithms on 3D shapes. To begin with, we consider the special subset of image processing that can be formulated as energy optimization. The goal is to modify the input image by decreasing the given input energy. Image-driven methods use the same strategy. From a single view, given an input shape whose rendering has high energy value, the goal is to figure out the optimized shape whose rendering can minimize the energy. Mathematically, we want to find the output shape V star whose rendering RV can minimize the image energy E. This can be solved using gradient descent by applying the chain rule, where the EDR is the derivative with respect to the image which can be obtained from the image processing, and the dRdV is the derivative of the image with respect to vertex positions, which depends on how we design the renderer. Let's take a step back. We can see that Paparazzi takes a 3D shape and outputs a 3D shape, which means the quality of intermediate renderings is not that important, and we have the flexibility in choosing a renderer that is suitable for our tasks. In particular, we want to have a renderer that is fast, effective, and more importantly, is differentiable so that we can compute the dRdV. Therefore, our Paparazzi renderer uses Lambertian reflectance, local illumination, directional lights, and flash shading to ensure differentiability. With the Paparazzi renderer, we can apply these image smoothing algorithms to make the bunny piecewise planar. In general, we don't just want to optimize a single view of a shape, but the entire shape through multiple views. The multi-view gradient is the integral of single-view gradient, where the views are uniformly sampled from the offset surface. Because accumulating the gradient from all the possible views is expensive, we perform stochastic gradient descent as an efficient multi-color approximation. So far, we have discussed how to generalize energy-based image processing to 3D through a differentiable renderer. But many image processings are filters that are implemented as iterative procedures which have no derivative. Fortunately, by replacing the DEDR with the difference between filtered image and the original image, we can generalize these algorithms to 3D as well. Now we have described our system, let's look at the simplest energy, squared pixel difference. Because rendering is robust to input data types, thus we can render the point cloud and transfer its detail to another geometry V. Also, we can transfer detail from a mesh with lots of defects to another one. In this experiment, we apply the fast guided filter, which is an edge-preserving smoothing filter, to achieve the same effect on 3D shapes. The next experiment is the image quantization, which compresses an image with only a few colors. After applying this to 3D, we can see that the surface patches only have a few predefined orientations. This experiment shows the results of applying Superpixel to 3D, which results in a 3D shape to have many small flat regions. This one is an image smoothing with L0 gradient regularization. These algorithms preserve edges and make the image piecewise constant, thus it makes the shape piecewise planar. Last but not least, Paparazzi allows 3D generalization of image-based machine learning techniques. In this example, we apply the neural style transfer, which is able to transfer 2D painting styles across images to make 3D shapes have the style of a 2D painting. Thank you for your time.